Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with NextAuth in a mobile app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Next.js project set up. Install the NextAuth package by running npm install NextAuth. Next, create a new folder called pages/api/auth. Within this folder, create a file named nextauth.js. In this file, import NextAuth from NextAuth and your chosen providers. Set up a configuration object for NextAuth with the necessary options. Include the providers array in the configuration for each authentication provider you wish to use. You can use providers like Google, GitHub, or email. Make sure to configure the callbacks within the NextAuth config for handling tokens and sessions. After your configuration is complete, export the NextAuth function. Next, configure your database or adapter if you're using a database for sessions. Now, move to your mobile application's login screen. Install the necessary packages for API calls, such as Axios. Create a login function that sends a post request to your NextAuth API route for authentication. Handle the response to obtain user credentials and session information. Store the returned session information securely in your mobile app. Implement an authentication state check to manage user sessions effectively. To log out, create a function that makes a request to the sign-out endpoint of your NextAuth API. Finally, test the authentication flow rigorously to ensure all components work together seamlessly. With these steps completed, you now have a robust authentication solution using NextAuth in your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.